through this video, we will try to familiarize the major performing scientists in India. The most fashionable award for science is Bhatnagar Award. So we will talk about the scientists who got Bhatnagar Awards. India is a emerging country for scientific development. In India, there are lot of labs for scientific development. There are lot of industries. There are lot of universities. All are focusing for to develop the new methods for science. So obviously we can find out there are more number of scientists in India. Bhatnagar Award has given to scientists in 7 disciplines of science, mainly biological science, chemical science, earth, atmosphere, ocean and planetary science, engineering science, mathematical science, medical science and last but not least physical science. This award giving system was started in 1958. This is given by our Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, or simply we can tell CSIR. Up to now, there are 516 scientists who got Bhatnagar Award. Bhatnagar Award is the award which is named after Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. He is a scientist from Punjab. He is an ideal example for a scientist. His all work is industry application oriented. His each work changed the Indian industry. There are lot of stories about his findings and how it is changed the Indian economy. For example, he found a process for converting biogas into food cake for kettle. For those who don't know, biogas is a fibrous material that remains after removing the sugar cane juice from sugar cane. This opens up a new opportunities or new income to both kettle farmers and sugarcane farmers. Another story is pretty interesting. There was an oil company at Rawalpindi. They have much bigger problem. Their problem is they have used a type of mud for drilling and taking crude oil. But problem is that the mud will get hardened upon contact with saline water. This will clog the drilling holes. When they contact to Bhatnagar, he found that colloidal chemistry will be a solution for their problem. He found that a particular type of Indian gum had a remarkable property of lowering the viscosity of mud suspension and thereby increasing at the same time of its stability. So it is remained without flocculating by the action of saline water. This finding causes a lump amount of profit for that oil company. This makes them happy and they have given a sum of 1,50,000 rupees at that time. Thereby he used this money for the development of oil research. He was the first Director General of CSIR.